ako daw ang reason or culprit, whatever they call it, or the meddler, kaya kaya na-cancel yung wedding in Spain. Immediately when I saw it, I called Bea. I said, Bea, what's this? Tapos I don't know. And I said, we both know the truth, right? And sabi niya agad sa akin, please, SK, promise me you won't say anything. Kasi ayoko nang lumaki pa. And syempre, pagbibigyan mo yung alaga ko, heartbroken at that time, you know, you try to accommodate her wishes kasi ayaw niya sigurong lumaki na. So talaga I kept quiet, but ayaw tumigil, lalo akong, dahil hindi ako sumasagot, lalo akong tinitira, and patindi na ng patindi. But because I promised her, I kept quiet. Okay? In other words, she did not allow me to defend myself. I didn't take it against her because at that time, that's how she felt, and I respected that. Kaso, pati nung natuloy na, ako pa rin ang villain. Parang, teka lang, why am I supposed to be the villain here? Wala naman akong ginawa. So, when I talked to Bea, well, the reason why they're making me a villain, just to let you know, in case you didn't hear it or read it, parang, finally natuloy din ang kasal kasi hindi na nakialam si Shirley Kwan. Parang ginawa ko rin akong kontrabida. Hindi ko na lang sinagot din. Kasi nga, ako naman, ang reason ko ngayon, kasi kinasal na eh, why would I rain on their parade? Let them be happy. Ayoko nga maging kontrabida. But anyways, I will just let you know, kung kinausap ko si Bea, when I resigned last August 11, ako, sabi ko, Bea, I just wanna make it clear. Malinaw naman tayo, di ba, na ako ba nagpa-cancel nung kasal nyo? Sabi, no, hindi. Sabi niya, okay, I'll go further pa. At any time, kahit pabiro, even in jest, did I tell you to cancel the wedding? Baka nakalimutan ko lang. Sabi niya, no, never. Okay, malinaw yan. Meron akong resibo. Kung gusto nyo malaman, I can prove na hindi ako kasali dyan. Okay? Ang tanong, yung mga nagpapalabas na kasalanan ko, ako yung nagpa-cancel, maglabas sila ng resibo. Kasi ako kaya ko maglabas. Alright, so for the details, you can ask me, lalabas na yung mga details, depende sa questions niyo.